We have grouchy people serving us at Burger King. And one of them, I can't tell if it's a man or a woman.
It's a thing.
Not this one. Not this trying to be Spider-Man.
My spidey senses are tingling.
We ranked.
Extra ranked.
Oh, shit.
Come back. Knock on the window. Or beep. Check your burger.
Somebody check it.
OMFG.
Sorry. Can I?
Extra ranked.
I need something.
Just go back around.
No, don't go back around. They'll see us in a second.
I need some ranked.
Knock on the window, Jeanette.
Knock on the window.
Knock on it. Check the burgers, Katie.
I'll knock on the fucking window if you don't.
Katie, check the burgers.
You check the burger.
I can't record it.
Wave at them.
Don't knock on the window.
Extra
rank.
She's seen us. Shut up.
Extra rank.
Can we have a lot of ranch, please?
How many you talking
Like
about?
4.
4. Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's just like 12. I said a lot, didn't I? Wait, what?
Did you check my burger?
I'm working on it. But what are we
Will
doing?
you check my burger?
Did you see her snaggle too?
They're fine. They're fine.
Oh,
I think-
I was gonna be like,
Mine was plain, so yours
Burger
should.
King give you dental insurance.
No, Burger King, not giving no damn
That
dental
poor
insurance.
lady, she's gonna snaggle to you.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Y'all, where we go?
Where am I going?
Right.
Home.
I gotta piss so bad, I gotta shit. How is that possible?
How long is it gonna take to get home?
How,